we are confident that this is truly a case of this novel coronavirus.
That first case, a man in his 40s recently in Wuhan who came through Vancouver International Airport last week. He lives in Metro Vancouver and regularly travels to China for work.
This is a gentleman who was well aware of what was going on in China, and when he returned, he went home and he voluntarily self-isolated, so he had not traveled outside his home until he sought medical attention.
His family members are being closely monitored, but other people on that plane are not being contacted.
This person was not symptomatic on his flight. There's no risk to people who are in contact with somebody with no symptoms.
Health officials insist the risk of spread in BC remains low, but with more than 100 flights a week between Vancouver and mainland China, travelers are still taking precautions.
On the airplane, I will wear the mask, yeah.
Everyone have their own protection, the face masks and hand sanitizer.
Just walking around the airport, I'm seeing lots of people wearing masks, and so I'm considering buying a mask today, actually.
And masks have become a common sight in Richmond, where 55% of the city's population is Chinese. This latest case concerning for many.
People are definitely talking about this within your community?
Yes, we're talking a lot.
Henry Chow canceled his planned trip to China at the end of the month. He says friends and family here are taking their own measures to protect themselves.
We're supposed to have a lot of parties, but we kind of cancel it, and we warning each other who is just come back from China, or especially from Wuhan, please stay in your home for 14 days.
And as Canadians alter their plans, so too are airlines. Air Canada and Cathay Pacific now canceling certain flights between China and Canada while demand drops as fears of the coronavirus spread. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.